Hey guys, and welcome back to our channel 1-2-Step. In this tutorial, we're gonna look at how to add any game to a collection in Steam. Now let's simply look at how to add any game to a collection. At the top left, you will see the library button right here. Simply click on it. And as you can see, once you do that, you will be redirected to this page. From here, simply go to the game that you wish to add to any collection. Let's say I want to add this game to a collection right here. So I'm just gonna click on it. And guys, this is it. Now the process is quite easy. Just click on the manage button right here. That's on the right hand side. Click on it. Now from here, simply go to add to, hover it, and do note from here you can create a new collection itself. But right now all you want to do is add this game to a collection. So I'm gonna click on this demo collection that I had previously created. And guys, that is it. As you can see, this game has been added to my collection. That is it guys, that's the gist of it. That's how you add any game to a collection. Hope you guys found this video informative, and for more content like this, do remember to hit like, share and subscribe. Your support fuels us. Until next time, thank you.